Feeling unsure about diving into a gold IRA? Many investors struggle when they have to figure everything out on their own. Getting started with a gold IRA can feel overwhelming, especially if you're trying to manage all the research, paperwork, and choices alone. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains a multi-team approach designed to give you educational support at every stage. Each team focuses on a different part of the process, from understanding precious metals to managing storage options. This structure ensures you have guidance without the pressure of aggressive sales tactics. You stay in control while still having reliable resources at your fingertips. This guide shows how an education first, multi team setup can help you make confident decisions about diversifying with gold and silver. I'll link this guide in the description. This is just one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Company Integrity Checklist and Silver Scheme Report, all designed to help you make informed, thoughtful investment decisions. You can download the full bundle for free and get clear, step by step guidance to help you navigate Gold IRAs with confidence. You can find the link in the description.